Hi, I'm Troy Witt from Take One Productions in Southern California. Today talking about the LiveU Solo. We do 2 to 5 live web streams a week for paying customers, and we need to make sure that our streams are rock solid 100% of the time. The nightmare scenario for any live streamer streaming with traditional land-based Ethernet or Wi-Fi is what happens when your bandwidth becomes variable or it goes below the threshold of the bit rate that you're streaming out at. Or God forbid, something that's really happened to me on site is someone pulls the Ethernet cable out or your router goes down. That is a nightmare. You'll see we're still streaming right now live with the LiveU Solo using cellular connections. We have a Verizon dongle on right here, and we have Wi-Fi to an AT&T MiFi that's sitting in Matt's pocket right now. I'm going to hand this to him because we are not just recording this for you in the camera. We're showing you real time the quality that the LiveU Solo is continually keeping us on the air and with a high bitrate quality in the background, completely hands-free, completely real time. So what we're doing is we're actually recording this from the cloud on our content delivery network so that you see the actual quality that happens on the LiveU Solo's live real-time transcoding platform. This also allows us to be at 100% wireless. You notice that Matt has the LiveU Solo attached to his belt and the cellular modem attached inside there too. So we're 100% without wires for both power and for bandwidth now. This allows us to bring our show on the road wherever we want to go. Whether we want to broadcast from a beach, a red carpet event, or from a convention center, we can be assured that we've got our bandwidth wherever we need it, and that LiveU is handling all the hard work in the background, keeping us on the air, navigating that variability of the cell connections, and going cell tower to cell tower. We're even able to do it while driving. The technology is amazing and has become so integral to us that it is standard operating procedure for all of our live webcasts. Whether our customers are paying for it or not, it makes us look good, it makes them look good. My guys don't leave the office without it. So the LiveU Solo is using the same technology that broadcasters have been using for years, bonding multiple cellular connections together in a vast variety of locations around the country and around the world to make sure that they're able to get their signals out. So now it's been made more affordable for live web streamers, and they bring it to you. So the LiveU Solo, really robust, so robust that it's used on all of our stuff, and we really recommend it.